Hello student, I take your class Sexual Reproduction in Plant. In previous class, I have take your class with chalk and duster. Now I use some slides to explain the sexual reproduction. First, you see the structure of flower. In a flower, first the base is known as your stalk or pedicel. The pedicel is used to help contain the flower in our hand. If absent of pedicel, it is known as sessile flower. After the pedicel, the next part is known as receptacle or thalamus. The thalamus is the base in which the 4 floral holes are attached to this. What kind of 4 floral hole? First is known as your sepal, the individual of calyx. Then corolla. The corolla is the second-most hole, which is your accessory hole. The individual is known as petal. After that, the two sexual part are known as, one is your androecium and another is your gynoecium. The androecium is known as your male reproductive part, whereas gynoecium is known as your female reproductive part. The male reproductive part or the androecium contains 2 parts. One part is known as your filament and the uppermost part is known as anther, through which your pollen grains are produced. And the gynoecium contains, the uppermost part is known as your stigma. Stigma is connected with style and the lower base part is known as your ovary. And that individual of gynoecium is known as carpel. And the ovary contains ovule. When our anther mature, it creates pollen grains and that pollen grains inject in the stigma, then enter to the ovary. After that, fertilization or zygote is produced here. So, पिलामाने आमे जेतेबेला गाइनोसियम टा मैच्योर ହେଲା ପରେ एंड्रोसियम रो pollen बाहर की आसिकी गाइनोसियम रो स्टिग्मा ऊपर पड़े, देन स्टिग्मा रो स्टाइल को जाई कि ओवरी रे जाए एंड ओव्यूल संगे फ्यूजन हे कि जाइगोट फॉर्मेशन हुए. एई समय रे pollen रो क्रोमोसोम नंबर और n नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम थाए pollen रे. So ovule also n number of chromosome, n मिसिकी 2n और जाइगोट फॉर्मेशन हुए हमरो ओवरी भितरे. So types of flower. How many types of flower are there? There are 2 types of flower. One is known as unisexual flower with single sex, either androecium or gynoecium. Another is known as your bisexual flower. So first I will start with unisexual flower. Flower which contains either stamen or pistil. Pistil means your gynoecium, stamen means your androecium. ए दुईटा भितर गोटे जदि फ्लोरल होल अछि फ्लावर रे, इट इज नोन एज यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. एग्जांपल इज पपाया एंड वाटरमेलन. पपाया माने तमरो अमृतभंडा एंड वाटरमेलन तरबूज होची यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. Whereas bisexual flower, the flower contains both stamen and pistil. दीटा जाक मिसिकी रही अछि तो सेई फ्लावर को हमें bisexual flower कहबा. एग्जांपल है हिबिस्कस मीन्स मंदार एंड मस्टर्ड माने तमरो सोरिस. ए दीटा भी होची तमरो bisexual flower. Then in previous class I discussed about microspore. The spore which is formed from androecium is known as microspore or pollen grains. Pollen grains contains dense cytoplasm with distinct nucleus. Means nucleus is clearly visible. Soon after it released from tetrad, last class diagram if you have studied, तो pollen टा tetrad रू formation हुए and each pollen rapture हबा पर mature हला पर एटा जाई कि पड़े जाई कि stigma of carpel. So soon after release from tetrad, it undergoes rapid increase in its volume. So nucleus of the pollen It is the pollen nucleus. Pollen nucleus contains outer exine and inner intine. Then the nucleus is present inside the cytoplasm. Then the pollen nucleus is divided into two types. One is known as tube nucleus and another is known as your generative nucleus. The pollen nucleus is used to produce pollen tube inside your stigma, and the generative nucleus, N types of nucleus, undergoes mitosis and produce two types of N number of nucleus, male cells. And that male cells enter into the stigma and it fuses with the ovule and produce zygote. Then we will study the female gametophyte. The angiosperm. Angiosperm means closed seeded plant. Means the seed is covering with seed coats. The angiosperm or female gametophyte is a critical for plant reproduction. It contains the egg cell and a central cell that became fertilized and give rise to embryo. Means female gametophyte or your gymnosperm or your carpel. Carpel is produced with the female gametophyte. It also known as that the androecium is known as male gametophyte or your microspore, and the carpel is known as your female gametophyte or megaspore formation. The female gametophyte development begins early in the ovule. Ovule ru start habo and the diploid megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis. Meiosis re jaiki तमरो gametophyte टा it will produce your structure typical ovule produce करिवो. The upper part of ovule is known as chalaza side and lower part is known as micropyle side. So the middle nutritive tissue which is present in your ovule is known as nucellus. It is the structure of ovule. The ovule contains upper three cells is known as antipodal cells, middle two polar nuclei, and lower middle one is known as your egg, and egg is surrounded by two synergids. It is the typical structure of ovule. If you're in your exam 2.5 marks question asks the structure of ovule, you will write about this ovule structure. Upper part is known as chalaza side. The outer two covering coat is known as your integument. Upper side is known as antipodal, three antipodal cell. Middle one is known as two polar cells. Then lower contains egg surrounded by synergids. And the lower opening is known as micropyle. This one is the reproductive floral organ. This is the carpel, which upper side contains stigma, middle portion is style, and the lower one is known as your ovule, and ovule is surrounded by or present inside the ovary. And when the mature pollen enter into the stigma, it produces a large tube with the tube nucleus or pollen tube is produced. Then this one is the reproductive floral organ of male. Stamen, male floral organ. It contains anther. Anther contains pollen tetrad, and pollen tetrad inside the pollen tetrad or anther, pollen is ruptured. Then pollen grain are produced with the male gametophyte, which consists of male gametes. Then the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves male and female parts of the flower. It has 4 stages. First one is pollination, second one is fertilization, third one is fruit and seed dispersal, and fourth one is germination. Then what is pollination? The pollination means the transfer of pollen. Pollen means male gametophyte ru female gametophyte ku amara pollen grain transfer hobaku pollination kuha hochi. The transfer of pollen from the male anther to the female stigma is known as pollination. Then why need for pollination? Pollination कौन पाई दरकार हुए? The male gamete present in the pollen grain fuses with the egg cell present in the ovule to form zygote. Zygote produce ହେଲା ପରେ आमे further generation start करिवा पाई हमको zygote दरकार जोटा कि हमर pollination द्वारा संभव होइथाय. कहा द्वारा pollination हुए? Pollination is two types. One is self pollination and second one is cross pollination. What is self-pollination? Self-pollination means transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the same flower. गोटे फ्लावर रे ही आमर both pollen and stigma जदि fusion हबो, that flower is known as self-pollination. Whereas what is cross-pollination? Cross-pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the another flower. गोटे फ्लावर रो आउ गोटे फ्लावर रो ट्रांसफर को कुआ हबो क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. मींस एंथर गोटे फ्लावर रो एंड पोलन अलगा. एंथर और पोलन गोटे फ्लावर रो आ हमर ओवरी और ओव्यूल आउ गोटे फ्लावर रो जेतेबेला क्रॉसिंग हबा दैट इज नोन एज क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. देन pollen grain germination. What is pollen grain germination? After the pollen attached to the stigma, it produces a tube, and inside the tube nucleus both the male n number of cells enter into the stigma, then style, then ovule. After that, it mixes with the egg cell of ovule and produce zygote. It is known as pollen grain germination. This one is your fertilization. Inside the fertilization, fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. It occurs inside the ovule. Ovule भितर ही हमरो fertilization हुए. केमिति हुए? हमरो egg रो nucleus संगरे गोटे हमरो pollen grain रो n number of nucleus enter करे सेतेबेले गोटे fertilization हुए. आउ दीटा जो मझिरे secondary nucleus अछि ता संगरे जाई कि आउ गोटे n number of cell टा fertilize हुए. So this is known as double fertilization and triple fusion. It occurs inside the ovule. The pollen germination, the structure of pollen germination is seen here. Pollen tube formation, how it enters to the stigma. Then formation of fruit and seed. After fertilization of embryo, it produces embryo, and after fertilization zygote divides into several types, produce embryo, the ovule develops into a seed coat and ovary fruit रे convert हो जाए. सेपाल, पेटाल, स्टिग्मा, स्टाइल सब गुड़ा को fall down पड़ी जानती, झड़ी पड़ती. Then double fertilization. Double fertilization, I will tell you, one sperm nucleus fertilized with egg and another produce two and zygote produce, which becomes the plant embryo inside the seed. Another sperm nucleus fuse with the polar nuclei जोटा कि मझिरे अछि 2n nucleus and produce a triploid is known as endosperm. This is the structure of seed coat, ovule, pericarp. Outermost covering of seed is known as pericarp. This one is your ovary wall. Then next in slide, structure of seed. Seed produces cotyledon, then plumule which gives a shoot, radicle which gives root. You know that. The plumule gives rise to you shoot system and radicle underground in towards the gravity and produce root system. Then this one is the diagram of seed germination, how a seed is germinate inside our soil. Then overview of the floral organ. इटा होची detailed structure तुमको पूरा जिनते perfectly देखा जाउची. Receptacle, sepal, calyx, pedicle, pollen, anther, etc. Then the structure of the flower with sepal, petal, stamen, carpel, etc. Then thank you.